Hello YouTube. So we've been having a problem with our iRobot Roomba 650 where it just doesn't seem to have the juice anymore. It doesn't seem to want to run for a long time. So did a little research online and discovered that the battery is more than likely the case. So we need to go ahead and replace this battery, and to do so we're going to turn the unit over and we're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver. And you can find these batteries anywhere online, Amazon, many other places. First thing we're going to do is remove the brush. And we'll clean that off because that's gathered some fuzz, and if you have pets and other things, this gets all gunked up. So it's a good idea to take this off and clean it from every few runs, just to make sure that the unit keeps running as often as it can. Let's get the temper off, throw it away. Now to open this unit up to get to the battery, there are going to be 4 screws. There are going to be 2 here and 2 right behind the main drive wheels. So go ahead and open up these 4 screws. And then this whole bottom plate should lift right off, just like that. It's a little dusty in here, so maybe worth doing a little cleaning. We'll take care of that in just a moment. So I bought an aftermarket battery instead of the brand from iRobot, just because reviews kind of led me in the direction that this is going to be pretty much just like the regular one, might get a little bit more power out of it. And this actually comes with extra brush wheels. So in this case, we're going to go ahead and replace one of these also, since I have them available. And the battery purchased is the Power Extra. And there's the model number and information. And to replace this battery, we're going to look at the battery, and there's a ridge on the back side of the battery here. You can see right there. There's also the contact plates on the back. And then there's the built-in battery right there. So we're just going to lift this old battery out. Just lift these 2 tabs up, it lifts right out, and you see that's where it makes the contact down in the unit. So make sure it's not got any debris in there. Set that aside. Take our new battery. Go ahead and just drop it in the hole. And it woke up. So we're going to take a few minutes here and clean this out, and then we'll get it back together and we'll give it a try. Now I'm just going to use a can of compressed air here. Persistent dust balls out of here. We'll clean off the base too. See, it got a little dirty itself. And to reinstall, just place the lid back on. Tighten up the 4 screws. I don't believe there's any order to this. Just getting it back on and snapped in place. just want these hand tight. You don't want to strip them out or anything, just enough to hold that plate on where it's not going to go anywhere. Alright. Like I said, since we do have the new brushes, we're going to go ahead and install one of those also. Just snaps back on, it locks in place. And tighten it down with it so. And these will flatten out as it runs on the floor. And that's it. That's how you replace the battery in an iRobot Roomba 650. Thanks for watching.